What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I'm here to show you the main new changes in iOS 14 Developer Beta 2. I am using the 2020 iPhone SE, but this will work on almost any iPhone that currently runs iOS 13. I also did make a video of a hands-on tutorial of the first developer beta of iOS 14, so I'll leave a link of that video in the description down below. Now, before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. Alright, let's dive right in. New calendar icon. The icon for the calendar app now has the day of the week abbreviated instead of spelled out. Clock icon. The app icon for the clock has similarly been updated with thicker hands. New files widget. Users can now add a files widget to the Today view in small, medium, or large sizes. Reminders widget. The small reminders widget now shows a task along with the count. Widget add button matches the color of widgets you are adding. Photo widgets now come in new 4x4 sizes. Podcast swap. The library and browse tabs have swapped places in podcasts. Tracking report. Apple has renamed Track Report to Privacy Report. Trackers now work in the feature. Location Services banner. Apple has updated the Location Services disabled banner to read Location Service is off. Buttons within the Music app now have haptic feedback. Mentions in the Messages app now appear in blue. Family sharing. Apple has introduced a new icon for family sharing in the Settings app. Navigation changes. Navigation has tweaked slightly in settings. For example, in the Notifications pane, it will now say back rather than the previous page's name. Sounds and haptics. Headphone audio has been bumped up above ringer and alerts. I have got to say, I've been using the iOS 14 developer beta since its release, and so far, I have not noticed any bugs whatsoever. I was expecting to notice issues because, well, it's a developer beta, but honestly, this version has been more stable than iOS 13. Apple plays it really well with software. The fact that Apple is going to also release a public beta, and at the time of this recording they actually did, and that many older models will also be compatible, is something to praise Apple for. Now wait, this is still a beta, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend you downloading this on your main device. The iPhone SE is my secondary device, so I can comfortably use it for this beta. With Apple finally adding full-blown widgets to iOS, anybody who has something like the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max with a larger display will make the best use out of these new widgets. The new iPhone 12 series that hopefully comes out later this year will definitely make use of these new features added in iOS 14 as well. Now, I don't know about you, but I am pretty excited for what Apple has in store with the iPhone 12. Apple is really sprucing things up this year in the software game, both on iOS 14 and Mac OS 11 Big Sur. iOS 14 is probably their biggest upgrade in software since the revamp of iOS 7, and to be honest, I'm really digging this new look. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I will continue to bring more updates on the iOS 14 developer beta as they continue to come. Let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see in the future. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.